Understanding the phrase, happy as can be, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a delightful and commonly used English phrase, happy as can be. We'll break down its meaning, usage, and share some examples to help you understand how to use it in your conversations. Let's dive in. The phrase, happy as can be, is an idiom in English, used to express extreme happiness or contentment. It's often used to describe a state of joy that is as great as it could possibly be. This phrase is quite visual and imaginative, which makes it popular in both spoken and written English. Understanding the origins of idiomatic expressions can often help in grasping their meanings. The phrase, happy as can be, has been in use for many years, and its exact origin is not clearly documented. However, it belongs to a category of expressions where a quality, like happiness, is compared to the highest possible degree of that quality, indicated by as can be. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in context. 1. After hearing the good news, she was as happy as can be. 2. Look at the children playing in the park, they seem as happy as can be. 3. During his vacation, he felt as happy as can be. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, ranging from personal feelings to observations about others. English is rich with variations and similar expressions. Here are a few that convey a similar sentiment. Happy as a lark, happy as a clam, over the moon. While these phrases differ slightly, they all express high levels of happiness or satisfaction. We hope this video has made you as happy as can be by enhancing your understanding of this charming English phrase. Remember, idioms like happy as can be add color and expressiveness to your language skills. Stay tuned for more insightful language learning videos, and don't forget to practice using these phrases in your daily conversations. Happy learning!